Some moments deserve more than words. They deserve to be remembered. Sand. In the right hands, it becomes a story. Bilal Kose is a professional sand artist with over 15 years of experience, transforming live moments into powerful visual storytelling. From weddings and corporate events to birthdays, private celebrations, brand launches, and special occasions, each performance is carefully designed, tailored to the event, and created live on stage. Sand art is not just a show, it is an experience. A unique blend of light, music, and movement that captures emotion and leaves a lasting impression. If you are looking to elevate your event with something meaningful, elegant, and unforgettable, Bilal Kose brings stories to life, one grain of sand at a time. Because some moments are meant to be felt, not forgotten.